The Encore Theatre Festival 2025, hosted by Banjari Arts at Duke Ridge Center of Art in Plainfield, New Jersey, continued with a stellar lineup on April 27th. Audiences were captivated by Stairways to Heaven by Geoff Hargreaves, directed by Madhuvanti Bhatt, featuring Vaishali Phanse, Poonam Kangdale, and Kiran James. Other highlights included Recipe Book, directed by Mukund Kamrekar, Wo Fir Aayegi, based on Chekhov, director Deepak Gupta, The World's Most Boring Murder, director Priya N. Iyer, and The Blind Man's Daughter, a heartfelt act by Mandar Gadre and his daughter Arya. Sheila Ki Jawani, Dancing Through Life, written and directed by Nidhi Kathuria, brought humor and poignancy to the stage with a powerful act by Farokh Daruwala. The evening closed with Chauthi Cigarette, directed by Amiya Mehta, hosted by Vijay Joshi, with catering by Crown of India. Day 2 was a memorable celebration of South Asian theatre. Watch the highlights.
एक स्लेट हुआ करती थी, बार बार खोज कर उस पे नया नया डिजाइन बना लेते थे। ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए। मैंने नीलू दीदी को कितनी बार समझाया कि मनोहर का सामना करो, उसके हाँ में हाँ मत मिलाओ। कहता था समय नहीं है, खुद की जिम्मेदारी निभाने का समय नहीं था। सोने की चिड़िया बनाकर रखा था, दो मीठे बोल नहीं बोल सका। फिर से नीलू, क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे दिमाग में? लेकिन एक बात सच है, तुमने जैसे कहा वैसे जिंदगी रेणु तुम्हारे राह पर चली। मीठी बोली से सबका मन जीत के अपनी ही बात मनवा कर रहेगी।
I'll ask Shubha to introduce us to your cast.
Absolutely. So, Dadi, Dr. Mandala Khadekar. Suman, Aarti Bhalera. Daili, Meghna Bhave. And our very own second generation with mother tongue English, father tongue Marathi, and now she learned Hindi too. Bhalera also. Makeup and costume done by Rasika Kulkarni. Our two men backbones are back there. One on our sound and music, and one is our director. Thanks again.
So, just a quick question. So, how did you decide to pick up this play? I know there's a history, but then when you decided for the first time, if you can shed some light on that.
Sure. My mother was never, she never had dementia or whatever, but it didn't matter when I called, what time I called. My mother would start with whatever the recipe of the day was. And after a while I realized that was something that we could talk about, right?
Yeah.
You could reach to her and I could just pretend listening till she asked me, did you try and make it? And I would just pretend that I made it or something like that. But I think that's their life, especially for the generation before us. Recipes and cooking and making everybody happy in the they would remember every little thing for everybody.
Yeah. And then
इतनी लंबी कहानी बता दी, ना मेरा सर ना पैर कुछ पता लगा, तो वो जीरो में कहानी से सुनना चाहती है। तो आप आपकी तबीयत खराब है, कहते हो तो कल या परसों।
हमारी तबीयत तो अपनी जगह है, लेकिन बहन का काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा। तू अंदर भेज दे। माफ कीजिएगा मैडम, दरअसल मेरी शारीरिक स्थिति ऐसी नहीं कि मैं आपका खड़े होकर स्वागत कर सकूं। आप प्लीज बैठिए।
थैंक यू। घर जाके खा लूंगी।
कहिए मैडम, मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ?
इस पूरी दुनिया में एक आप ही हैं जो इसको क्या ही ना सुन सकते।
And I just wanted to, my experience was so good. Everybody was, so happy and so, and with whatever the performances they have given. And we have, like, most of the place had the new people in it, So I believe taking new people, new talents in our place, and that too from our local community. So everybody had enjoyed so much, and this is the, like, kind of a stress buster, like, doing plays is a very good like therapy, so it's a therapy to me also. When Ashok left us, that was, this therapy has survived me, and I came out of that, and everybody who has been performing really loved it, so I think I'm going to continue with the same groups and same people, and they all enjoyed it so much.
Hello friends, this is Vijay Joshi here. I am the Master of Ceremony for the 2-day Vanjari Arts and Crafts Music Festival, and it held its annual Encore Theatre Festival. We had 11 plays. 4 of them were outside, and 7 of them were the in-house productions. It was an amazing experience. The plays were in Hindi and English, and I truly enjoyed working with the cast, working with the actors, working with the directors, and as well as all the rest of the organizers. This is my second year doing the theatre festival. I myself acted in a play called Pile Gulab. It was well received by the audience, and it's an amazing experience. We are planning to conduct it every year in the last week of April or the first week of May, and we try to advertise it on the social media. If you are able to come to this theatre, it'll be a great experience for you in its raw setting, a true theatre in the sense of the Desi theatre, if I may say. You will really enjoy it and have fun with it, and we welcome everyone.
Nana became an empress, and soon all her loyal.
2021 में इटालियन कलाकार सैल्वाटोर गाराव ने एक अदृश्य मूर्ति बेची, इयो सुनो, जिसे हम हिंदी में मैं हूं और इंग्लिश में आई एम से जानते हैं। ये मूर्ति उसने 15,000 यूरोज में बेची। गाराव ने इसे शून्य यानी ऊर्जा से भरा एक खाली स्थल कहा। कहते हैं कि हाइजेनबर्ग के अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल के मुताबिक उस खाली स्थल का भी अपना वजन होता है। Gaurav called this piece a vacuum and emphasized that it is a space full of energy, and even if we empty it and that there is nothing left, as per the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, that nothing also has a weight of its own. तो जब कभी आपको लगे कि आप हार गए हो, आपके अंदर कुछ नहीं बचा है, आप बिल्कुल उदास हो, आपको खालीपन और शून्यता का एहसास हो रहा हो, तब याद रखिए, इयो सुनो, मैं हूं, आई एम।
How are you feeling, Mr. Sharma?
मैं कहाँ हूँ? यहाँ कैसे आ गया?
I found you collapsed on the street. मैं आपको घर ले आई.
मुझे हॉस्पिटल में होना चाहिए था. मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर, मुझे हार्ट अटैक हो सकता था.
This is your diabetic bracelet. I gave you a glucose tablet right away.
Lucky me.
Lucky you.